Hello students, I am Vinash Vikram. Today brief you about the natural resources. Natural resources is a very basic thing for our environment. The conservation of resources is an absolutely necessity for economic growth, development, adequate living standards of growing populations. So basically to understand this we need to go through with the functioning of natural resources. What are the natural resources, how it affects the environment. So the environment provides a variety of goods and services necessary for our day-to-day life. It also includes air, soil, water, minerals along with our climate and solar energy. So a natural resource may be defined as any material given to us by the nature which can be transformed in any way. It become more valuable and useful. We use variety of materials derived from the environment. So this is basically whatever we are getting from our environment and which are transformed for our valuable purpose for our use. This is called a natural resources. Natural resources are generally defined as all those things given by the nature on, above and under the surface of earth. So whatever we are getting from the earth, from under the earth or from the air of the earth, this is comes into the category of natural resources. In a broad sense, natural resources includes water, forest, land, fisheries, minerals, animals, and the sources of energies like coal, petroleum, gas, uranium, and so on. Now when we talk about the environment and natural resources, we need to understand the pattern of changes in land and resources use. Likewise, when we are in an old era, we are using land in a very limited manner, we are using the resources in a very limited manner. But now the large stretches of a land such as forest, grassland, wetlands have been converted into extensive agriculture part. Land has been taken for industry and urban sectors. This is the pattern of land changes day by day. The growth of an industrial complexes has led to a shift of people from their traditional, sustainable and rural way of life to urban centers that developed around the industries. So because of the developing stage, because of the industrialization, because of the urbanization, the landing pattern has been changed day by day. During the last few decades, several small urban centers have been become large cities and some have been giant megacities. So thank you students. This is all about our natural resources and changing of land pattern.